Good Monday, everybody. Today, Samantha and I are going to go to McAllister's piano recital. This is his first ever piano recital. I don't really know what Christmas song he's going to be playing, but I am super excited to go and listen to him. He's a little shy, doesn't like to play in front of people, so this ought to be pretty epic. So that's going to be fun. And also, I want to show everybody our new desk that we got yesterday from IKEA. Alright, so here is the computer desk that we got from IKEA yesterday. Let me show you a few things that we liked about it. One is we liked that it had this little area here to hide all of your cords and stuff. So we enjoyed that. And then it's also got your two drawers. Your two drawers that you can pull out. That's the Alex. That's what we got. One on each side. So yeah, so this is the Alex from IKEA. I think it was like 149 bucks. Wasn't too much. Wasn't too hard to put together either. But it holds everything that we need. And it fits so good in our little bitty tiny home. And then of course, there's Mickey Mouse. Bobblehead.
Guys, y'all see that? That is way, it's such a kid.
Thank you. Stop being a brat.
Y'all hear that? He called me a brat. Y'all saw where we were driving. Rumi was in the car. We just got home. We went to my grandmother's house for pizza night again. Wade bought a laser and he's got Rumi like attacking the floor with this laser.
Look.
Rumi, you're not a cat. It's on the wall. Oh, it's on Rumi. He's done. He lost it. There's not much room in this house to be running around after a laser. Hey guys, I actually just woke up. It is about 15 after 4 in the afternoon. I just felt really bad today. I woke up with my throat like just closed up and just like all the sinus pressure and a headache to where I felt like I couldn't even keep my eyes open in the daylight. And I just didn't feel good. I was freezing. I didn't have a fever, and I don't feel like it was anything major. I just did not feel comfortable, and I just wanted to I didn't realize I wanted to sleep as bad as I did. I tried to make it until lunchtime, and I actually made it. I ran out of medicine this morning before I went to work, so I had to go pick some medicine up from the store and came home, and probably within 30 minutes I was asleep, and I probably slept 3.5 hours straight. I just woke up. I didn't wake up on my own. Wade texted me and it woke me up, but I'm glad because I'm gonna have to sleep tonight or I'll have a bad day tomorrow, and I just can't have that happen. So I still feel yucky, but my headache is gone, and I think that I just needed that 3.5 hours of sleep in a weird way. I'm probably, Wade and McAllister is on their way home, and I'll probably just make like some vegetable soup and have that, and I don't know, I'll probably just be awake for a couple more hours and just hang out, probably watch Christmas movies. I still feel, like I said, I still feel really yucky, but I do feel better. So I think tomorrow when I wake up after tonight's sleep, I will feel back to my 100%. Yeah, I think it's just the weather. Y'all, we have had our Christmas stuff up for so long that I forgot to move this for the counting of the days. So we are here now. I feel so silly because when we first put it up, I said, man, I wish we had like more days on here so we could start counting down. And I've missed half of the countdown because I did not realize. Happy Thursday, guys. Wade and McAllister are finishing up dinner, watching Batman. I just got finished and wanted to catch you guys up on what was going on. I actually feel much better today. I've just been trying to get lots of liquids in and taking medicine, and I think we're about to play the game of life. So yeah, super fun Thursday night. Happy Friday, friends. Last night we said that we were going to play a game, and Batman apparently ended too late because, yeah, we did not play any games. That's why you guys didn't see us playing any games. Maybe tonight. Wade is headed home. I'm on my lunch. McAllister's playing video games. I'm going to make us some breakfast for lunch. And I think they are going to play some disc golf while I am at work for the rest of the day. So, yeah, that is about all that we have going on. I'm just excited it's Friday, excited it's the weekend, and yeah.
Okay, so part of what McAllister wanted to do for his birthday earlier this month was to go disc golf. He's never been disc golfing before. It's something that me and a few of my friends used to do a lot some years ago. Now I haven't been disc golfing in a few years maybe. So anyways, I'd ordered him a set of discs, and we decided today would be a good day to go practice before we go play for real tomorrow. So here we go. Oh, nice. All right, so we finally got done playing 18 holes. What'd you think of it?
It's fun.
It was really fun. He did really well. Bad part was that the first couple holes had water, and it hadn't rained in a while, but it was pretty muddy. And my shoes are soaked, my socks are soaked, and my pants have mud all over them. So, fantastic. But anyways, you ready to go play tomorrow?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Cool. McAllister approved. He enjoyed it. So Samantha has now realized that she's doing this calendar completely wrong. She was going 25 days out and trying to go down to the first, which the first means it's Christmas Day. What we just had to explain to her is you go day by day until you get to 25, which is Christmas. She doesn't believe us, but it's true.
And I've had it on the 15th since I showed you guys.
So today is the 12th, and tomorrow to go on the 13th, all the way until the 25th, which is Christmas
I'm
Day.
pretty sure I've been doing that wrong since we got that last year from Target, but I'm pretty sure I've been doing that wrong.
Well, it stayed on the 25th for the first 7 or 8 days of the month, so.
What are you talking about?
You never moved it until you realized.
Well, I know,
it was like
I've already told them that.
Okay, well.
And that's why I moved it. I said, man, I missed out on 2 weeks of counting it down.
And you still did it wrong. Oh well, now we know.
Hey guys, happy Saturday. You just saw us fixing the calendar. Whoops. What is that thing called?
French press.
Yes, I could not think when I was showing you guys last week our French press that we bought. We used it for the first time and I'll show you guys here. I couldn't really tell a difference in the coffee. Could you, babe?
Not until I got to the bottom of the cup.
It was grainy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, we don't know if we did it right.
Yeah, I mean, it was the first time of trial and error kind of thing. And it was kind of like a slow process of like reading it. We had to clean it and do all that. So maybe next time it won't be as grainy. I didn't have that problem, so I don't know. But it was pretty cool. It was a different way of making coffee. I didn't have to plug anything up. Yeah, I am probably going to make soup for myself, a big batch for the week, and have for dinner tonight. And the guys want hamburger helper for dinner. So my soup's gonna take a while to chop up. And what are you doing? Wade is like over here doing stretches. Okay, anyways, he's distracting me. But anyways, I have to cut up all the vegetables and stuff, and it's going to take a while. So that's what I'm about to do. Yeah, we're just having a lazy Saturday. I worked out this morning, and then we just hung out. I had to go to the store to buy some groceries, and the guys have been hanging out. So, and we did a Christmas video, so that was pretty cool. And McAllister joined us, so you guys will see that Thursday. And yeah, there is that nasty stuff that these guys love for some reason. And there is a Tuscan bean soup I'll be eating on by myself, apparently.
Happy Sunday morning. Look at her eating her eggs and cinnamon roll. Yum, yum, yum. Nom, 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 nom. Check it out. It's been a long time since we've had cinnamon rolls.
Yep. Felt like a nice holiday treat.
Yep.
Yep. And then, when we get done with this, I'm gonna go for a run, and the guys are gonna go play disc golf like they were supposed to yesterday, but it rained, so it got postponed today.
That's right.
Mm-hmm.
So until then, it's not Gaston's Tavern, but these cinnamon rolls look tasty. All right, so here we are again on this beautiful cold Sunday morning. McAllister and I are about to play around a disc golf on a more challenging course than what we did the other day, while Samantha goes and runs for a little bit. So we're on this number 9 hole. Let me see if I can zoom in. There she is, right there.
We just got done trying the cookies that I just made. Homemade cookies for the first time. What do you think?
Good.
Oh, he's on his second cookie. McAllister seemed to like them. I got the recipe off Pinterest and just wanted to try to make some Christmas cookies. And the only cookie cutter that we have is a Mickey cookie cutter. So, yeah.
So that's what we used.
Yeah. What I used. Because nobody wanted to help.
I'm helping right now.
That's his favorite part. Anyways, we are gonna wrap this video up here. Had a long day, busy day. Yeah, and we hope you have a wonderful week. Like, subscribe, comment, all the things.
Yeah.
And with that, we'll
Peace.
see you next week. Bye.
Cookie time.